Most beginners lose money in trading not because they're unlucky, but because they don't have a system. And that's exactly why AI trading bots are exploding in 2026. If you're looking for the best AI trading bot for beginners, this video will break down how these bots work, which ones actually help, and how you can start using them even if you've never traded before. What AI trading bots actually are. Before we talk about the best bots, you need to understand what AI trading bots actually do. An AI trading bot is a software that analyzes the market and executes trades automatically based on data, patterns, and predefined strategies. Instead of you staring at charts for hours, the bot does the work. Here's what they typically do. Scan the market 24/7. Identify trading opportunities. Enter and exit trades automatically. Manage risk based on rules. Now, most beginners think AI bots are money machines. It's not true. They are tools, and like any tool, they only work well if you use them correctly. There are three main types of AI trading bots. Signal-based bots. They follow indicators or alerts. Algorithmic bots. They follow coded strategies. Machine learning bots. They adapt based on market data. For beginners, you don't need something complicated. You need something simple, structured, and consistent. So what's the best AI trading bot for beginners in 2026? It's not about the most advanced bot. It's about the one that helps you make clear decisions and avoid emotional trading. The bot I recommend for beginners focuses on one key concept: liquidity. It helps you identify where big players are entering the market so you're not trading blindly. If you want to try it, I've left the link in the pinned comment. You can go there, set it up, and follow along with what I'm about to show you. How to actually use an AI trading bot. Now let's break down how to actually use an AI trading bot as a beginner. Step 1. Choose a market. Start with one market only. Forex, crypto, or indices. Don't try to trade everything. That's how beginners lose fast. Step 2. Let the bot find key zones. Instead of taking random trades, use the bot to identify liquidity zones, support and resistance, fair value gaps. This is where institutions place trades. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. This is where most beginners fail. They see a signal and jump in. Instead, wait for price reaction. Break of structure, clean entry confirmation. The bot gives you direction, not blind entries. Step 4. Manage risk properly. Even the best AI bot loses trades, so your job is to manage risk. Follow this. Risk 1 to 2% per trade. Never overtrade. Stick to your plan. Consistency beats everything. Step 5. Combine AI with your brain. This is the most important part. Don't rely 100% on automation. Use the bot as an assistant, not a replacement.
Okay, so if you get on the markets at this point right here and you ask yourself, is price more likely to come all the way down here and take out this major low? I'm sure you understand price is most likely to go up and take out this major high here where there's lots of liquidity, where there's lots of stop loss orders. So when we get on the lower time frames, we're only going to look to buy, we're only going to look for longs. Okay, so here we are on the lower time frames. This is the major high that we know price is going to go for. So this red shaded box, this is the sweep, and the gray shaded box, this is the actual sweep itself, right? This wick goes just below it and it quickly and aggressively shoots off. That is what a liquidity sweep actually is. The AI is only considering this time frame, right? So it's going to give you the win rate based off just this time frame alone. What we really want to do is we want to enter on this retracement. So we have our bias, we have the sweep, price is quickly shot off. We just want to ride price up, right? We want to ride price up to this major high all the way up here, right? For me, I think the easiest entry, especially when you're trading crypto, Fibonacci retracement. Very easy, very simple. Your stop is always fixed at the low. For your take profit, this is where things get interesting. Minimum, if you're using Fibonacci, target this major high.
The best traders in 2026 are doing this. AI plus strategy plus discipline. That's the real edge. So if you're a beginner, don't chase complicated systems or expensive bots. Start simple. Use tools that help you understand the market, not confuse you. And if you want to get started with the bot I mentioned, check the link in the pinned comment. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.